If you're going to any summer festival this year, you need a festival cart, but which one should you buy? So today we're comparing our viral Sherpa folding cart with 3 other trolleys from 3 other recognisable competitors. So firstly, storage. Out of the 4, as you can see, these 2 stand up effortlessly and are nice and compact, whereas the 2 on the floor, quite bulky, wide, and can't stand up on their own. So our Sherpa folding cart has a weight capacity of up to 80 kg, the same as this one over here. This one here has 100 and lastly 50. So although this cart has a capacity of 100 kg, it's limited by its size. Putting it next to the Sherpa folding cart, you can see our cart is much taller, and a special feature that none of the other carts have is this tailgate at the back. This gives you an extra 35 centimetres to play with. So comparing with the other 80 kg trolleys, starting off with the main differences. So this frame is a lot thinner, meaning it's a lot lighter and not as robust as our Sherpa folding cart.
My name is Bella Hadid.
Of course, it doesn't have the removable padding to give extra support. And lastly, as we've already mentioned, it doesn't have the fold down tailgate. So this cart also has a removable base, which is good, but it only holds up to 50 kg, which is interesting because the thickness of the frame is very similar to the cart that claims it holds up to 80 kg. Now let's talk about the wheels. So these 2 carts here have much thinner wheels than the 2 carts here. However, our Sherpa adds that additional value with the thick rubber tread, which is ideal for the unreliable British weather. Forbidden Forest 2024, if you know, you know. If you don't fancy having to repack your cart on the walk into the festival, don't get yourself a 3-wheel drive like this one. So the wheels can easily collide, as you can see here. This makes it not only hard to pull, but leaves it very unstable while trying to take tight corners. So we've also added wheel bearings to our Sherpa folding cart to make the wheels run much smoother and make your journey easier. So talking about the handles, so these 2 folding carts here have what you call an ergonomic grooved handle, very much like a suitcase style, very comfy. Whereas these 2, they have like a T-shaped plastic handle, not very comfy, not a natural position, and will probably start to hurt your hand after a while. So last but not least, the liner material. So these 2 folding carts are made from a polyester. Unfortunately, with this folding cart, we couldn't get any information from the packaging or online. So moving on with our Sherpa folding cart, the liner is made from a nylon, which is long lasting and much more durable than polyester. So with all that information, let's hope we've helped make up your mind on which festival cart to go with. Hopefully you've chosen Sherpa.